What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Time to talk tweaks. So for those who jailbreak their devices on the both the Uncover and the Checkra for iOS 13 up to 13.5, those Cydia tweaks will be for you. So before I'm gonna start today's video, let me asking you guys if you can give the video a big thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video.
Okay, let's go ahead right now to start talking about today's tweaks, and number one on my list will be the Courierizer. This will be allow you to choose any kind of name you would like to instead of your courier name. Let me show you guys if I want to go ahead right now and go into my lock screen here so you guys can take a look at my courier name. I change it into my channel name. This is how is the tweak will be looks like after you download the tweak. And even if you want to go ahead right now and just go into the navigate to under the settings and go into the Courierizer 2 and see what the tweak pretty much comes with. So the first thing, go ahead, enable the tweak and also the courier operation or the operator tags. You can change that. You can take a look that I already put my channel name on it. And if you want to enable the servers tags as well, you want to change that as well, you will be allowed to do that. Hide the carrier if you want to, or if you want the fake service, you can turn that switch on. The fake dual SIM card, if you want to bring that on into your status bar. Show the IP address. Show if you want to the current temperature or the location and someone. This is the some of the tweaks that comes after you download the tweak. You need to keep in mind if you make any kind of change, you need to make sure to reset your device so your device will be take the effect, and this is the way about that tweak. The way that I shown you guys and as I explained to you guys, that tweak will be allow you to choose any kind of name you want to put your favorite name, any kind of thing instead of your courier name with that tweak. Once again, guys, if you guys like to download this one will be called the Courierizer 2. Let's move on right now to talking about the other Cydia tweak that I have for you guys, and the other one will be called the Zoomer. This will be system-wide tweak, will be allow you to colorize, put something, hide something, and more than that stuff once you navigate to under the settings. So once you navigate to under the settings, the tweak comes with more than section. You need to read the section and you will be pretty much knows what is that section will be for. For example, the colors applications here, if you go ahead and tap on it, will be provide you with the customized things, bars, status bar, any some other stuff comes under that section will be allow you to put some colors just like that. By simply tapping on the color, choose your favorite color and you will be change that color for the specific application or any other application. The keyboard, if you go ahead and tap on that section, will be allow you to enable that section. First of all, colorize the keyboard colors if you want to, or choose the dark keyboard. This is the only couple of options, and we have the main Face ID, so that tweak will be allow you to change and put some colors with your Face ID lock using your lock screen. You guys can take a look, but you need to keep in mind, first of all, enable the tweak, use the sliders, so just the way, put some colors if you want to customize that, and also colorize the colors for the apps, colorize the color for the face and the DAC here with the hide page paints. If you want to, you can do that. All of that will be from that section. Also, we have the lock screen will be the same thing, comes with different kind of colors. You can adjust that way, change some colors, will be the same thing for the top bar here. You will be change the color. Also, we have the switcher, we have the settings application, and then we have the phone application, we have the camera application, we have the messages, we've got the Instagram, we have the CD application, which is I'm gonna be showing you guys in just a second here. you will be change the color, the background, and also comes with Safari application. You can change that by tapping on the Cydia. Here you guys can take a look the stylish, if you want to change the home page and other page on Cydia by toggle that section. I'm showing you guys how is that will be looks like, and update Cydia sources in the background, which is one of the nice feature that the developer here already had. So if I tap on the Cydia right now, you guys can take a look that the separate between the sections, really nice and beautiful looking. The same kind of thing when with any other stuff and section, the home page will be looks like that. This is one of the things that it comes once you download the tweak. But as I told you guys, one of the options, if you want to use the update on Cydia sources in the background, which is really nice feature. Really nice tweak to have it in your iPhone, and comes with different kind of stuff. So if you guys want to download this one, as I told you guys, this one will be called the Summer. Let's move on right now to talking about the other Cydia tweak, and the other one will be called the Destra. This is gonna be bring the Mac OS notification style in your iPhone. Really nice and a beautiful one. This one is not gonna be work for your lock screen. So once you playing in your iPhone just like that, let me just showing you guys if I want to make any kind of notification right now pops up on my iPhone. Let me show you guys the style. It is the same kind of thing, just like the Mac OS style. So let me just turn my save mode battery here. Once I receive a notification, the notification will be pops up on my Springboard just like that. As I told you guys, the developer used the Mac OS style. Bring that style in your iPhone. Also, if you go ahead and navigate to under the settings of that tweak, first of all, go ahead and enable the tweak. If you want to receive the notification comes from the right or the left, you will be allowed to do that. The slider of the notification, how is the style or the size will be, you can adjust that with that slider. And you need to keep in mind, once you're done, if you make any change, you need to make sure to reopen your device, so your device will be take the effect. Really nice and cool tweak to have it in your iPhone. Once again, if you guys like to download this one, as I told you guys, this one will be called the Destra. Let's move on right now to talking about the other Cydia tweak, and once again the Lock Watch 2 with another beta, another stuff, and different kind of update. So once you download the tweak really nice and beautiful one. So if I want to go ahead right now and jump into my lock screen here to showing you guys how is the watch will be looks like, so you guys can take a look, different kind of series, and then you will be able to change that. Let's say if you want to tap on one of the, like for example, the time, the temperature inside the watch, you will be able to run that right away from the lock screen. The tweak comes also with a different kind of stuff and things. Once you navigate to under the settings, go ahead, first of all, enable the tweak. You have to use the Apple Watch from there. If you want to toggle that section, you have the Apple Watch model. If you go ahead and tap on it, will be giving you the Series 3, and then we have the Series 5, and then you have the Series another 5, because we have the 40 and 45 millimeter, and then we have the 38 to 42 millimeter, which is going to be the Series 3. This is what pretty much that week will be came with. And also we have the Apple Watch model, the 5. If you go ahead and tap on it here, we'll be giving you different kind of size as well. The advanced here, if you go ahead and tap on it, will be giving you the face background here. If you go ahead and tap on it, we'll be giving you those 3 options. And then also we have the battery charging view. If you want to bring that on, the position of that, if you want to change the position and play around with that, you will be able to do that. If we go back right now here, we have the complication. If you go ahead and tap on it, we'll be giving you different kind of stuff as well. You can change that from in there. And if you go back, this is the only options that comes right now. with that tweak. Keep in mind that tweak still on beta. It sometimes maybe brings some bugs and issue errors. It's pretty much still on beta, so I think once we receive the master copy of that tweak, the official one, I think will be fixed the most errors and bugs that comes with that tweak. But really, it's nice and beautiful tweak to have it in your iPhone. Highly recommend you guys to give it a try if you want to. This one will be called the Lock Watch 2. Let's move on right now to talking about the other Cydia tweak, and the other one will be called the SB Power Options. This is going to be for your power if you want to bring more than options once you want to hold on your power. Let me show you guys if you want to toggle some of the stuff once you download the tweak. First of all, go ahead, enable the tweak. If you want to bring with your power, will be came as a menu for sure. And if you want to toggle the save mode, the respring, reboot, and the restart or the power off option, you will be able to do that. Once you're done, if you complete everything from here, once you're done, you need to make sure to apply all the changes. This will be save everything for you. So once you tap on your power, once you want to power off your device, will be giving you an extra menu, comes with all of those options if you want to use it. So if you guys like to download this one as I told you guys will be called the SB Power Options. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like the video, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia Tweaks video. Catch you with the next one. Peace out.